Let's look at a couple more ways you can search for volunteer opportunities on Volunteer Match. So I've gone to the Volunteer Match homepage at volunteermatch.org, and I'm not logged in to my account. I'm just on the homepage. In the main search box, I've typed in Sun City West. I click Get Started. And previously, we've looked at how you can search for local or virtual opportunities, and you can also specify cause areas. But let's say you know the name of an organization. You can go up to where it says keywords and type in the keyword. So I'll type in Benavia and click search. And now it will show me volunteer opportunities related to Benavia. And I can filter this search even more by using this sort by menu. So I click on the down arrow at the far right of the menu. And let's say I want to search by distance from me. So I'll click distance. And I'll see the nearest Benavia volunteer opportunity to me is Volunteer Activity Partner for Life Enrichment Centers. I click Learn More. Near the bottom of the screen, I can read about this opportunity. And if I want to drill down even more and contact someone, I'll need to click I want to help and then log in with my Volunteer Match account. I'm back on the Volunteer Match homepage, and I've typed Sun City West into the main search box. I click Get Started. But now I'm going to look at this menu near the top of the screen, and instead of selecting opportunities, I'm going to select organizations. And I want to find an organization in Sun City West, Arizona, so I'm going to click where it says keywords, and once again I'll type Benavia and click search. And it will show me 3 organizations that are tied into Benavia. And once again, I've got a sorting tool. I can sort by distance, relevance, name, and date updated. So if I sort by distance, it'll show me that Benavia is the closest organization related to Benavia to where I live. I click Benavia. And near the bottom of the screen, I'll scroll up a little bit. Now I'll see volunteer opportunities at Benavia, and here's this Volunteer Activity Partner for Life Enrichment Centers. If I hover my mouse pointer over this opportunity, I can click Learn More. And now once again, I can read about the opportunity. If I want to contact someone at this organization, I click I want to help and log in with my Volunteer Match account.